she started off in a small storeroom with one laptop, and from there she's grown her business to serving more than 7,000 clients, built a business based on pure intent to only serve people. And today, she works with celebrities in her business. Are you ready to learn from her, everybody? Are you ready to welcome her on stage? Please give it up for Pooja Anand, everyone.
How many of you had a dream so big that it came true? If yes, please raise your hand. Thank you. How many of you had a dream that was so close, but life got on its way of making it happen? Please raise your hand. Thank you. This is a story of a woman who has experienced both. At the age of 19, she was juggling between her college and helping her dad run a business, all the while dreaming of becoming a successful entrepreneur. But as life unfolded, things took a different turn for her. She got married to an army officer. And in those days, the only option an army wife had was to be a teacher. Now, she was a good army wife, a good daughter-in-law, a good mother, and eventually lost herself without even realizing it. Her dreams got buried beneath the weight of looking after everyone. Hello, beautiful souls. I am Pooja Anand, and this is my story. I'm the founder of Purple Tree. We are in the business of healing and transforming lives of people. We help entrepreneurs realign their chakras, master their emotions so that they can multiply their income and manifest abundance in their life. I've worked with people like Vivek Oberoi, Dinah Kellogg, Sana Rezwan, and many more clients across the globe. But my journey hasn't been easy. It's been from a housewife to a charity healer to an entrepreneur. It's been from illness to wellness. It was almost 11 years back. My body was giving me warning signals and I was just not ready to listen to it. To that extent that I collapsed dead on the tables of medical specialists. It was something like Creator telling me, go there, I'm going to give you a life lesson or else you will lose your life. And I'm always grateful to God that I was at the right place at the right time or else I wouldn't have been doing what I'm doing today. That day, I had a heart attack with a blockage of 96%. And I learned a lesson, not only look after myself physically, but emotionally, mentally, and spiritually. 1 year after that was very, very difficult for me. It was difficult to walk even 10 steps without gasping for air. My kids used to say, Mama, ab theek to hona, Mama, ab theek to hona. That year, my husband was not only guarding the nation, but he was even looking after the family. It made me feel guilty, helpless, and overwhelmed too. The only thing I wanted then was to be back to myself. That was the first step into the healing field. उस समय जो बोलता मैं वो करने के लिए तैयार थी. I invested a lot on my healing and personal development. And you know, friends, what I realized? I realized that up until then, I was living a life for everyone else, but not for me. I was smiling from outside, but my inner smile was missing. लोग आते मुझे पायदान के जैसे यूज करते और चले जाते और मुझे पता भी नहीं चलता. Can you relate to this? Thank you for being honest. The more I worked on myself, the more I healed myself. I got connected to myself. From 13 medicines a day, I got back to just one. Thank you. And even eventually, I started helping out others. I started helping others heal themselves. I touched lives of over 7,000 people in various aspects of their life, such as health, wealth, and relationships. I was fondly known as a smile healer. I was working with doctors, was the only non-medical person at the Delhi Gynecologist Forum. I was even working with celebrities. I was featured on television, magazines, and had won a lot of awards and accolades. In spite of being on my professional high, I was feeling very, very hollow and low from inside. I felt that something was missing. मेरा मन था कि मैं सब कुछ छोड़ूं और माउंटेन्स पे चली जाऊं, probably to find my answers or to find my purpose. My inner work had already started by then. And one day while meditating, I heard a voice which said, फूलों की बुग्या में बैठे तो सब मेडिटेशन कर लेते हैं, असली मेडिटेशन तो अपने रोल को वेल प्ले करने में आता है. The ultimate aim of any being on this planet Earth is to be one with the Creator. You can do that by leaving everything, going to the mountains, meditating, taking a samadhi and becoming a shunya. Or rising above the muck like a lotus. And your role is not to run away to the mountains. Your role is to spread the knowledge which you have got. Oh, this was something. And my pain had become my power now. Every cell in my body was vibrating at a different frequency. I had found my mission and vision in life. I had my spiritual awakening. My mission is to help 1 million people reconnect with themselves, heal their past, and transform their life. I have a vision to build a tribe who operates with love and light and creates magic around them. And so, on 13th of Jan 2021, during the chaos of COVID, Purple Tree was formed in a storeroom of Army House, जहाँ पर एक सिर्फ टेबल और चेयर आता था. एक टेबल, एक चेयर और एक लैपटॉप के साथ Purple Tree की शुरुआत हुई. To help people reconnect with the roots to better their fruits, ताकि कोई आंधी आए, कोई तूफान आए, उसे ना हिला सके. इंटेंशन बड़ा प्योर था. लोगों को रिजल्ट्स भी मिल रहे थे. सेलिब्रिटीज की वीडियो टेस्टिमनी भी थी मेरे पास में. बट was I growing financially? No. And if I ask myself now, did I even want to grow financially then? The answer is no. Until the reality hit me hard. My elder daughter scored 96.5% in her 12th grade. In spite of having high percentage, she did not get admission in any of the top colleges in Delhi University. We had to put her in a private university in Mumbai, and we weren't prepared for the cost. We had to put her in a hostel which lacked basic necessities. That broke me down. I felt ashamed. I felt guilty. I felt like a loser. I cried a lot. And there was a voice in me which said, what's the use of helping out others when you cannot help yourself? Probably that day I found my why. She said, bigger the why, easier the wow. I had made a promise to myself that from now my children are never ever going to face this again. I got back. I started finding the loopholes in my business. When the student is ready, the teacher appears, and for me it was Rajiv Talreja. When I started learning, what I realized was, up until then, I was doing pure charity, no business. Marketing nahi aata tha, sales nahi aata tha. But I was ready to learn the spiritual way of doing the business. I was ready to take the baby steps each day, and I would say the courageous ones too. Because जब MBA अनाउंस हुआ, पैसे तो थे नहीं पॉकेट में. वो 7 लाख का अरेंज करना मेरे लिए एक चैलेंज था. लोन लिया, बोरो किया, बहुत कुछ हुआ. बट एक चीज मेरे दिमाग में थी, ये बंदे के साथ एनर्जी मैच होती है, सीधी बात करता है, नो बकवास करता है. अभी तक जो बोल रहा है वो सही दिमाग में बैठ रहा है. सो इसलिए वो करेज के साथ में आगे बढ़ी. जैसे ही मैं आगे बढ़ी, what I realized was my personal and professional time was mixed. So to focus on my healing business, I had to come out of my kadhai and cooker business. So I took time to build my home team. I hired them, I did their role clarity, I trained them so that they're taking care of the home chorus while I'm focusing on my business. When I focused on the business, I realized there was chaos everywhere. Being a solopreneur, I used to get panic attacks because no systems, no structures were in place. जब करण से कस्टमर्स की ABCD सीखी तो समझ में आया 95% of the time I was spending with the dangerous customers, whereas I was running away from the amazing ones. I suffer from ADHD, so focus is a challenge for me. To master the number game, I had to lock myself in the room. My coaches were patient enough to help me understand the basics of the business. I'm always thankful to my coach Pranav, who one day took more than 4 hours to just put the set things right into my brain. Today, my mess is becoming a message because I not only learned, but I implemented a few things in my life. I identified my amazing customers and I revamped my entire program based on their NDPs. I launched content marketing, so I broke out from the vicious circle of being dependent on the referrals. There used to be a time wherein I used to fall sick frequently. And what I realized was, being with a pure heart, I used to add so much value to my clients, but my pricing was too low. That created an energy imbalance. So I increased my price, I set proper pricing. I built my team, I started outsourcing the work too. I remember attending Unstoppable Summit with no money in my pocket. I sold a crystal course to 2 students, just afford the trip, and it was totally worth it because that was the first time I met my mentors offline. I remember I stayed not at a hotel that day, I stayed at an airport because there was no money. I remember one of the sessions in a breakout room, which was an aha moment for me. I was so insistent over there. I said I could build a team for marketing, sales, and operations, but healing is a soft skill. Only I can create the magic in people. And then there a coach pointed out and he said, Pooja, you need a mindset shift over here. If you want to grow your business, you need to create second line of healers, or else you will be stuck over here. This was the turning point of my business. As today at Purple Tree, we not only help entrepreneurs realign their chakras, master their emotions to manifest abundance, but we also train world-class healers. We have added a new vertical of training people on healing and occult sciences. We have 83 healers in making. Thank you. This gives me a sense of joy and happiness because happy entrepreneurs create happy team and happy team creates happy economy. And, I have a vision to have one healer in every family because the generational trauma will automatically shift. अगर एक हीलर होगा, मुझे याद है मेरे बच्चे मुझे बोलते हैं अच्छा है आप ये हीलिंग में आ गए, नहीं तो आप एक बहुत बड़े हिटलर थे. तो वो शिफ्ट हर फैमिली में आ रहा है और ये लोग एक एडिशनल सोर्स ऑफ इनकम भी स्टार्ट कर लिया है इससे. सो इट गिव्स मी अ सेंस ऑफ पीस एंड हैप्पीनेस. I started from charity and I'm happy to say that today I'm one of the highest paid healers in Delhi. Today, thank you. Today my clients happily pay me 35,400 per session and they even give these sessions to all their near and dear ones. थैंक यू। ये चेंज आना आसान था नहीं, पर मुझे अपने दिमाग में चेंज लेकर आना पड़ा। चैरिटी से था तो आई यूज्ड टू फील गिल्टी फॉर आस्किंग मनी फॉर माय सेशंस। तो पहले वो कचरा दिमाग से किया, द बिगर द प्रॉब्लम आई सॉल्व द हायर आई विल बी पेड। और ये ट्रांसफॉर्मेशंस जो होते हैं सोल लेवल होते हैं, जो अनमैच्ड है। इस तरह से ये शिफ्ट आया है। टुडे पर्पल ट्री इज अ टीम ऑफ 5 people and we have had a revenue growth of 300%. Thank you. I feel happy while saying that because I remember the first Proficon I attended, I had a surgery just 2 weeks back and doctors had said don't attend this. I was here standing at one corner just soaking the energies of the room, and in the evening when my name was announced for the Proficon award, I had a joy and happiness and tears rolled down as I was walking the stage. It was not because of the award. Award was important, but it had that feeling that yes, my dream to become an entrepreneur has come true. From not being able to pay for my daughter's fee, today at Purple Tree we support the education of 3 children and living expense of a rape victim. Thank you. It's been a roller coaster ride, ups and downs, but one person who has stood by me, thick and thin, my backbone. If I'm the face, he's the backbone, and my team fondly calls him the father of Purple Tree, my husband, Colonel Tushar Anand. जब मैं हवा में उड़ रही होती हूँ, थैंक यू, जब मैं हवा में उड़ रही होती हूँ मुझे धरती पे ले आते हैं, और जब मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल लो होता है तो वो मुझे एनर्जी बूस्ट करते हैं. So I'm always grateful. A few lessons which I've learned in this life is challenges are a part of life. Dealing with it is an art of life. Life तो ECG जैसी है, up down up down up down. अगर आप ग्लास बॉल जैसे रहे तो आप टूट जाओगे, और अगर आप रबर बॉल जैसे हुए तो आप बाउंस बैक कर जाओगे. आप रबर बॉल बनना चाहते हो या ग्लास बॉल? रबर बॉल. रबर बॉल होने के लिए आपको अपने आप से कनेक्टेड होना जरूरी है. आपको अपने खुद के एनडीपीज पता होने चाहिए हैं. आपको इमोशनली स्ट्रांग होना पड़ेगा और मेंटली स्टेबल होना पड़ेगा. जब मैं इमोशनली स्ट्रांग और मेंटली स्टेबल नहीं होती थी, मेंटल फॉग हो जाता था, मैं सही डिसीजंस नहीं ले पाती थी, प्रोक्रेस्टिनेट करती थी. सेकेंड लेसन विच आई हैव लर्नड इज लिसन टू योर माइंड, बॉडी एंड योर बिजनेस. Listen to yourself. Remember I told you that universe was giving me warning signals and I was not ready to listen to it, and I paid a very heavy price, and I don't want any one of you to pay that. यूनिवर्स हमारे कान में खुसर पुसर करता है, हम सुनते नहीं हैं. हमें चूंटी पड़ती है, हम वो नहीं सुनते, हमें थप्पड़ पड़ता है, और थप्पड़ नहीं सुनते हमें गड्ढे में गिरा दिया जाता है. So start taking actions before it's too late. Thank you. Invest in yourself with courage. Our business is a reflection of our own self. Invest in skills, invest in mentors, क्योंकि mentors हमें mistakes करने में avoid करेंगे. The more you will invest in yourself, you will have the courage to grow. पैसा तो कभी होगा नहीं, तो उसको arrange करो, पर invest जरूर करो. One more important thing is dream big. Break it down into smaller parts. Take actions and manifest. Standing here. Standing here today. Thank you. Thank you. Standing here today is a dream come true for me. जब मैं छोटी थी तब मैंने सपना देखा था कि मैं बड़े स्टेज पे खड़े होकर बात कर रही हूँ. And today, standing here in front of my mentors and speaking is a truly humbling experience. अगर आप मेरा विजन बोर्ड देखो तो उसमें पिक्चर मैंने डाली है विवेक बिंद्रा, संदीप महेश्वरी के साथ. So this is a step further to the bigger dream which I have. दिस इज जस्ट द बिगनिंग। असली पिक्चर तो अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त। चलते 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 सिर्फ इतना कहना चाहूंगी, एंटरप्रेन्योर जर्नी कभी मुश्किल तो कभी आसान है। एंटरप्रेन्योर जर्नी कभी मुश्किल तो कभी आसान है, कभी ओ नो तो कभी वाव है। ना भुलाना अपनी इस स्माइल को, क्योंकि इस स्माइल से ही हर मुश्किल आसान है।